Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video, we will be discussing about how to pay Klarna Debt Collection. Klarna, the popular buy now pay later service, has revolutionized the way we shop online. But what happens if you find yourself in debt and facing the possibility of debt collection? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's explore how Klarna Debt Collection works and how you can avoid it. Klarna Debt Collection comes into play when you fail to make payments on your Klarna purchases or miss scheduled payments on a regular basis. While Klarna itself doesn't charge late fees, they may engage debt collectors to recover outstanding amounts. So what should you do if you receive a call from a debt collector regarding your Klarna debt? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Verify the debt. Before making any payments, it's crucial to confirm that the debt belongs to you. Reach out to Klarna or the debt collection agency to ensure the accuracy of the debt in question. Mistakes can happen, so you don't want to pay for something you don't owe. Step 2. Communicate and negotiate. If the debt is indeed yours, it's time to discuss repayment options with the debt collection agency. If the debt is indeed yours, it's time to discuss repayment options with the debt collection agency. Ignoring their correspondence is not advisable. Instead, be proactive and engage in a conversation about your situation. Debt collectors are often willing to work with you to find a solution that suits your financial circumstances. Step 3. Make timely payments. To avoid Klarna debt collection altogether, it's essential to make your payments on time. Keep track of your payment due dates and set reminders to ensure you don't miss any. Establishing a budget and sticking to it can help you stay on top of your Klarna payments. Step 4. Be transparent. If you're facing financial difficulties and can't make a payment, it's important to communicate this to the debt collector. Explain your situation honestly and provide relevant information about your financial constraints. Debt collectors are more likely to be understanding if you are open and transparent with them. Step 5. Explore alternative solutions. Klarna offers options such as payment extensions or a management repayment schedule. If you're struggling to meet your obligations, don't hesitate to reach out to Klarna's support team. They may be able to provide assistance and offer solutions that fit your financial situation. Step 6. Practice responsible borrowing. One of the best ways to avoid Klarna debt collection is to be mindful of your spending habits. Only use Klarna when necessary and ensure you have a plan in place to repay your purchases. By borrowing responsibly, you can prevent unnecessary debt and the potential need for debt collection. And there you have it, your guide to understanding Klarna debt collection and how to avoid it. Remember, it's important to verify the debt, communicate with the debt collector, make timely payments, be transparent, explore alternative solutions, and practice responsible borrowing. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.